This is my first robotics competition scouting app. It has many different types of input fields to collect robot data and automatically assigns a scouting target for every match in the competition. When in use, there will often be 6 scouters, one for each team on the field, so this feature is crucial for managing them. When each match is done, it will compile the data into a QR code and will be scanned by an Android app my friend made, ready for analysis. This project is completely open source and comes with helpful documentation. We have used this with many other teams, and they all found it very intuitive. Some even called it the best experience I've had with the scouting app. This was my first Python project, so I had a lot to learn through trial and error and online research. It displays things to the screen using the Pygame module and gets the teams to assign from the Blue Alliance's API. It's object-oriented, requiring only one line of code for every input field, making it very easy for others to use. The piece of code that I am most proud of is in the text input, where I implemented my own form of word wrapping. There were many problems that I encountered. Our team's laptops aren't the best quality, and with this being written in Python, my first drafts of the code did not work too smoothly. I solved this by identifying processes that took a major amount of resources and fixing them. One example is when there were constant checks on the text field objects. I solved this by running the checks only when it received input. The program was not without its bugs. I even had to fix a catastrophic visual problem during the world competition. The system I mentioned earlier that assigned teams failed to display correctly, but I was able to fix and deploy it to the laptops despite the immense pressure I was under and the lack of working internet. Here are some new things I learned from this project. Python, object-oriented programming, UI applications, networking, and optimization.